The Varanasi Municipal Corporation has decided to relocate all meat, fish and poultry shops outside the city limits before the commencement of the holy month of Sawan. The decision has triggered mixed reactions from residents, traders and political leaders. According to Municipal Corporation Public Relations Officer Sandeep Srivastava, around 350 to 400 meat, fish and poultry shops are currently operating within the city. He said that 5 locations, Ramnagar, Sujabad, Ganeshpur, Awaleshpur and Shivpur have been identified on the outskirts for the proposed relocation. Officials stated that meat traders face losses every year as shops inside the city are usually shut during Sawan. They added that relocating those shops outside municipal limits would allow businesses to continue operations during this period and help minimize disruption to livelihoods. The decision has received support from some residents. Ajay Sharma welcomed the move, stating that Varanasi, revered as the abode of Lord Vishwanath, attracts millions of devotees every year. He also suggested that liquor shops should be shifted outside the Kashi region as well. However, several others have opposed the plan. Subrata Mukherjee, a resident of Bengali Tola, said that fish and meat are an essential part of the daily diet and cultural practices of many families. He questioned why meat shops were being targeted while liquor outlets continue to operate. Anish Singh from Mandwadi said the relocation would inconvenience consumers across communities and could increase costs while potentially benefiting online meat delivery services. The District Youth Congress president also said that authorities must protect traders' livelihoods and ensure proper alternative arrangements. Meat trader Sahil warned that shifting shops to the outskirts could reduce customer footfall and negatively impact businesses that depend on regular local demand. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.